Hello everyone, it's me again Edmund, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to find the model of your computer motherboard in few seconds. To do this, and let's get started. In your computer searching bar, type only a CMD, and then you can see now the command prompt, right click and run as administrator, and then click yes. And here we go guys, the home page of CMD. And then next step, type this command WMIC space baseboard, WMIC space baseboard. This all small letter guys, space get space product, comma, and then type manufacturer, and then comma, and then version, comma, and then serial number. Serial number is one word only, and then press enter. There you go guys, you can see now the motherboard details here. You can see the manufacturer, the product, the serial number of your computer, and the versions. And this is guys the very simple tricks and tips how to find the model of your computer motherboard. Thanks for watching guys, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlogs.